Kasi dalawang purpose ng art. Mayroong personal, mayroong social. Yung personal expression mo through arts. Yung social, earn money to support personal. Yung interpretation ko rito, ang medium niya is spare parts sa mga spare parts, auto parts.
Ng kotse?
Oo. Actually sa bulldozer to, brake show. So ang title na to is Balance of Nature. Yung form na lang. Yeah. Kasi gusto ko makita yung trademark. Saka spontaneous yung creation, yung composition. Ito, Balance of Nature pa rin. Pero nilagyan ko ng itong, yung parang chord siya. Apocalypse yung title ko ng Apocalypse. Kasi end of the world, Apocalypse siya. So itong symbol mo na yun. This is planet. Ito yung planet natin. Planet or universe. Yun. So Apocalypse. Apocalypse yung title. Ito, spare parts pa rin ng machine ng bulldozer. Yung
Saan ka nakakakuha ng mga spare?
sa junk shop.
Binibili niyo po yun?
20 ang kilo. 20 pesos ang kilo. Junk artist ang tawag sa akin. Junk artist. Ang interpretation ng isa nito is yung Kundalini chakra natin. Yung Kundalini chakra. Nag-develop yung ang ating super conscious level sa mind. Ito yung chakra natin. Actually, 7 chakra, 5 chakras. Cosmic 1, Cosmic 2, Cosmic art na yan. Kasi may mga light yan.
Parang may makintab sa ganun.
Makintab, may circle siya, Cosmic yan. Blue, microbita na, kahit anong form, kahit anong niya, microbita.
Alam mo, ang art is very difficult to define. Ikaw rin ba ginagawa ni Florence, no? You show that to some people. Let's say you show it to 10 people. Maybe 2 out of 10 will like it. The 8 will say, hindi ko maintindihan yun. And paintings are like that, especially abstract paintings. Yeah. And modern, especially modern paintings, kanya-kanyang interpretation yan. If I ask you to interpret a painting, and I ask you, each one of you, and I ask myself, each one of you is going to be different. In other words, mas maganda yun because you have your own interpretation of the painting, you have your own interpretation of the painting, and there is no conflict with that. Nobody can question, that's the way you look at it, that's the way you see it, nobody can question about that. So, there is no pat answer to your question. You ask anybody, and anybody you ask different answers. Kaya Mr. Sengo, gusto ko sa mga trabaho niya because again, kung tingnan mo, abstract mo, first of all, there is all found objects, found materials. When you can use any material that you find in the street or in the basura, when you make something out of it.
We call it junk art.
Junk art.
Hindi naman ako uy, may award ako. Marami ako. Hindi naman, yung ako, hindi ko naman inaano niya. Kasi mahirap yun. I-build natin yung pride at saka yung ego ba. Gusto ko lang down lang kami. Iba yung focus namin, art for service and blessedness yung trabaho namin. Maraming mga artist dito na magaling ako. Galing ako ng Europe, galing ako ng yan, magaling ako. So what for? Nangyayari ngayon sa paligid natin, hindi natin matulungan ito yung sarili natin. Bakit ganito yung philosophy ko? Gusto ko lahat na tao i-develop yung spiritual practice. Gusto ko lahat na tao dito sa planet Earth i-prioritize yung spiritual practice. Yung prayer and meditation. I-prioritize talaga nila yung God before yung iba. Indiana